In today's video, I've got a method for you to make money online which is as simple as copy and paste, and I can guarantee it will blow you away because this is easy, it works worldwide, and you don't need any skills or experience for this, and it literally is a case of copy and paste a few things and you can be making money with this. And here's the cool thing, there's many ways you can do this. So let me start over on this website over here, and I'll walk you through this process. And look, all I ask is if you found this video useful, drop a comment down below or give the video a like. I'd really appreciate that. So this over here is a website called Seoclerk.com. Now on here you can find services for lots of things. So if I come over here, we've got, as you can see on here, we've got art and design, content and writing, and lots more. So let's just go to content and writing, okay? So basically, at this moment in time, this is where you can come to buy services. So we see this one here, content writing, in this category. A good content writing service can help bring in more traffic from Google. A great writing service can boost sales. So basically, this here is for people who have websites, who have blogs, who have niche blogs, okay? Now, if we come down here, we can see, let's filter this via, let's just go high to low. And here I'm just going to give you a quick example. So somebody here, we can see they will write 100 articles of 1,000 words for $1,000. Now this person, we can see they've got 100% feedback and 72 ratings. And we know not everybody goes ahead and leaves feedback when they purchase a service. But we can see this person here has earned what? Over, 72,000. It's pretty good, isn't it? And that's just one example. If we come further on the page here, look, too busy to write, I've got you covered. This person, I mean, look at this. They've only got one feedback and they've got a service on here for $900. And then there's lots more on here. Look, 50 articles of 1,000 words, and this is $650. And look, this is just one platform whereby people are putting up these listings, okay? Now, I'm not telling you that you're going to be writing 100 articles or 1,000 articles. I said to you that we are going to be copy and pasting. But let me share one other platform really quickly with you to show the potential of this, because there's a huge market for this. So we see over here on Upwork, we've currently got, I've typed in articles and blogs. We can see there's 6,500 jobs nearly. And if we scroll down here, we can have a look at, what the actual job is. We can see a bit about what it's expected and the price they're paying. And then if we come further down the page here, look, remote writers wanted for an ongoing blogging work. This is $20 for a blog post. Come further down the page here, look, Ruby on Rails, look, hourly, $8 to $50. And if we come down here, look, $17 to $39 and lots more. Now, the final one I'll share with you where you could look at these services is another platform. And basically, these are all freelancing platforms. So these are some of the top ones, but there's many more. You can simply go on Google and type in freelance and you'll find people per hour, guru.com, and a lot more. So if I come in here and type in blog article, type this in really quickly for you and hit on go. Now, let's just scroll down the page and look here again. We have got starting at £16.15. I'm in the UK, so obviously it's UK pricing. We've got another one over here. Look, I'll write top quality veterinary articles for pets and blog posts, starting at £8. I'm just going to go with the first one, and I'll show you this, and then I'll show you the whole thing. So this person will write 400-word blog post. Let's look at the standard, 1,000-word. If we go to premium, it's at £16, so about $20, and they will give us this, okay? And this is, again, one other platform. And we can see on here, look, my services cover these topics: pet health, training, nutrition, So how can you do this yourself with copy and paste? Oh, look, by the way, these freelancing sites are good, but you can literally go ahead and offer your writing services all over, a bit like this over here. I want to show you this. Look, yesterday I sold a blog post for $1,750, and yes, I wrote it with Jasper. Now, what is Jasper? So, I'll show you this now. I'm type in up here, not taught at school, /Jasper, and I'll show you this now, because it genuinely is copy and paste. Now, you can see on here, look, this is a free trial offer, and if I move my head, if you use the link down below, you can try this up to 10,000 words completely for free, and it's awesome. So if I move my head back over here, and I'll show you this really quickly. So let's go down. So who uses this? Well, we've got Google, Airbnb, IBM, Logitech, Promo, HarperCollins, and lots more. So basically, it's AI software. And basically you can use this for blog articles. You can use it for lots more stuff, but today we're focusing on blog articles, okay? So let me show you how this works, because it genuinely is copy and paste. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to templates. Okay, so inside of the software, this is what it looks like the first time you sign into this. Now we can see on here we've got all of these different templates. We've got templates for email, websites, blogs, e-commerce, social media. There's lots of stuff inside of here. You can see all of these templates, okay? Now the one I'm going to share with you today is a new one, is this one over here. It's called the paragraph generator, and basically this will help you create paragraphs to captivate your readers, but we're going to use it for creating blog posts, and it works incredibly quickly, okay? So let me come over here. I'm just going to go into a document. I'm going to click on, let me just go on new, start from scratch. Now I'm going to click on here, and you can see I've got all these frameworks over here, and I've got this paragraph generator over here. So let's just do, a live example of this simple copy and paste. So let's go back over here to Fiverr, and we've got this here. So we'll go with pet health, and we'll just go with this one as an example, and we'll go back in here. So look, we're going to write a blog post about reasons to have pet health insurance as an example. I mean, hopefully that makes sense. And then I'm just going to type it on here, summarize the above. Okay, summarize the above. So then I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to click on, I'm going to highlight this and click on Control and Enter, and it's going to basically summarize the above for me. So I'm going to go here, there we go. Look, it highlights the fact that the pet health insurance can help pet The post also points out pet health to peace of mind. Okay, so that is the introduction to this. So now I'm going to click on Compose, and basically it's just going to give me a few points here, okay? So this post, okay, so I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I am now going to type in here 5 top tips for pet health insurance, and then I'm going to literally click on, in fact let me move my head, I'm going to click this onto long, and I'm going to move this over here. I can't even spell, so I'm going to change that to insurance, and I'm going to click on Compose, and again it's going to start writing for me. So we can see here, there are my 5 tips. Now what I do here is, I'm going to take this up here, I'm going to copy this, like so, and I'm going to paste that into here. Okay? And then it says keywords to include. So if you want to include any keywords in here, just copy this, and I paste that into there. And then you've got tone of voice, you can change this, but for now I'm just going to click on Generate AI Content. And basically, I'm going to write a full article using this software because it works incredibly quickly. So once this stops spinning down here, in a second, I'm going to drag this down, and we can see here, look, this has all been done. And I've basically, I asked for 2 outputs, so it's given me 2 different types here, okay? So I'm going to take that, and I'm going to copy that like so. And then I'm going to come back over here, I'm going to paste that into there. So that there is that one done. Then I'm going to take this one over here and do the same process, okay? So I'm going to copy that, I'm going to go up here, I'm going to paste that into here, and I'm going to click on Generate AI Content. And you can see already, look up here, 263 words. And how long has it taken me? About a couple of minutes. So that's now finished. Come down here, and again, I'm just going to copy this. And basically, this is the process that you would do. So that's number 2. Paste that into there. And then we do the same again for number 3, number 4, and number 5. But already, look, this is a blog article. I've got 395 words. It's taken me a couple of minutes, and I would go through and do this. And this is how you can do this with copy and paste. Is it going to take you a long time? As you can see, it doesn't at all. And the cool thing is, when we come over here, whether you're selling services on platforms like Fiverr, or you're applying for jobs over on Upwork, or you're even just working with local businesses and things, they will give you all the information that you need to use inside of the software over here. And it's awesome, as you can see. I use this for niche blogs, I use this for my own website, I use this for YouTube videos and scripts and lots more. But it's not difficult, and it's free to try out. So I'll drop a link to this down below. Go ahead, play around with this, and literally get this up and running. So look, that's today's video. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.